But one night, Edward came to the shed. He was a kind little engine and felt sorry for Thomas. Thomas, that will be nice. Next morning, Edward and Thomas asked their drivers, and when they said yes, Thomas ran off happily to find trucks. Now, trucks are silly and noisy. They talk a lot and don't attend to what they are doing. And I'm sorry to say they play tricks on an engine who is not used to them. Knew all about trucks. He warned Thomas to be careful, but Thomas was too excited to listen. The trucks weren't ready. Oh, they screamed, "Wait, Thomas, wait!" But Thomas wouldn't wait. Come on, he puffed. All right, don't fuss. All right, don't fuss, grumbled the... Thomas began going faster and faster. Whee! He whistled as he rushed through Henry's tunnel. Hurry, called Thomas. But the trucks grew crosser and crosser. At last, Thomas slowed down as he came to Gordon's Hill. He began to put on the brakes. We're stopping, called Thomas. No, answered the trucks, bumping into each other. Go on. Before the driver behind him. Poor Thomas tried hard to stop them from making him go too fast. Stop pushing, he hissed. Straight through and swerved past the big one. Thomas shut his eyes. I must stop.